Going to fix a Samsung A14 5G. This is what the screen looks like. So you basically have to take out the motherboard and everything, put it back into this one. Start by, so you always want to take out the SIM card first, which I already did. Then you can just get into one of the corners and start prying it. You have to take out all the screws. Microphone, just put a little bit of alcohol. Just make sure you have switched. Take out everything. I already have the microphone or the earpiece here, so I don't need to take that out. Looks good, thank you.